Welcome to Modern Moto-Cars, where we bring you the latest insights into the world of motorcycles. If you're new to riding and looking for the perfect beginner-friendly motorcycle, 2025 has some exciting options to consider. Whether you're seeking a lightweight bike for city commuting or an adventure-ready machine for weekend getaways, this list covers 5 of the best beginner motorcycles available this year. 5. KTM Duke 390. For riders who want a bit of excitement in their first bike, the KTM Duke 390 offers an energetic 373 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine, aggressive styling, and top-notch technology. The lightweight frame and upright riding position provide excellent control, making it a great choice for both city streets and twisty back roads. Advanced features such as ride-by-wire throttle and a TFT display add to its appeal, making it a fun yet approachable ride for beginners. 4. Suzuki SV650. If you're looking for a motorcycle that can grow with you, the Suzuki SV650 is a versatile option. Featuring a 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, it offers a bit more power while maintaining a beginner-friendly nature. The bike's predictable throttle response, comfortable ergonomics, and manageable weight make it a great transition for riders who want to develop their skills further. Plus, its timeless design ensures it never goes out of style. 3. Yamaha MT-03. The Yamaha MT-03 is perfect for those who prefer a naked bike with an upright riding position. Its 321 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine provides a smooth and linear power delivery, making it an ideal choice for urban commuting. With aggressive styling, LED lighting, and modern tech features, the MT-03 offers a stylish yet approachable entry point into the world of motorcycles. Its lightweight and nimble handling make navigating traffic a breeze too. Kawasaki Ninja 400. For those looking for a blend of sporty aesthetics and beginner-friendly features, the Kawasaki Ninja 400 remains a solid choice. Powered by a 399 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, it delivers enough power to keep things exciting while remaining forgiving for new riders. The bike's ergonomic design ensures comfort during long rides, and its sharp styling appeals to those who want a head-turning machine. With advanced safety features like ABS and a lightweight chassis, the Ninja 400 is a reliable choice for first-time riders. 1. Honda CBR 500R. The Honda CBR 500R continues to be a top pick for beginners in 2025. With its manageable 471 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, smooth power delivery, and comfortable riding position, it's an excellent entry into the sport bike category. The lightweight frame and responsive handling make it easy to control, while features like ABS and a slipper clutch enhance safety and confidence. Whether you're hitting the highway or city streets, the CBR 500R offers a balanced mix of performance and practicality,